Hey, Raymond. Cheers, brother. How you doing, my friend? Raymond in the house, everybody. Come say hi. Well, I want this thing. This thing don't like clouds. Camera does not like clouds. Oh, yeah, I'm jealous. I don't have breakfast. Nobody's cooking for me. What'd you have for breakfast? Let's hear it. Make me even more jelly. I don't usually eat breakfast, though. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, French toast is good stuff. I like French toast. I like it with strawberry preserves on it too. Really? Natalie. Really? Huh. But we can't see them in the naked eye? Or I'm missing it. Peanut butter on French toast. That's a little bit unusual. Hmm. Are they coming through so fast? I've seen flashes of light. Not, when it's cloudy. When it's clear sky, that used to be. I haven't seen that anymore recently. Me and Freezy Peach were talking about it.